It's very hard to maintain live plants, especially indoor house plants. Very hard, but I'm trying. But this one keeps drying all the time. I don't know why it's drying and I'm watering like the way it's supposed to.
Or maybe I'm giving these plants a lot of attention. Hi, that's why they are drying, but
Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're doing fine. So before I head out, I wanted to edit one video. Yeah, I'm going to edit a video which is going to go up tomorrow, because I normally shoot a lot of videos, but I don't like have that morale when it comes to editing, and I need to change this. I need to edit videos fast. Once I shoot a video, I need to edit very fast, because I find out that it takes me so long to edit. Yeah, I'm loving my flowers, guys. Look at this. I think I showed you guys how I propagated this flower, and it's doing good. I have so many of them. I like live flowers. So, but I'm planning to add more. Look at this one, so cute. So I'm planning to add more flowers, because I have like most of them are green, like that one. They are like, I have a lot of flowers which are green. This one is green, this one is green, this one is green, this one is green, snake plant, this one is green. So I'm planning to go look for other types of plants which are different colors. I'm not sure that I'm going to find house plants which have, different colors. If I don't get, I'm going to buy, so that I can mix and have beautiful different plants. I love plants and I love live plants. It's very hard to maintain live plants, especially indoor house plants. Very hard, but I'm trying. Like you can see, this one here, it's drying. I don't know why it's drying, guys. Look at this, and the way it's beautiful. But this one keeps drying all the time. I don't know why it's drying, and I'm watering like the way it's supposed to, like once a week. But they are drying. Not that I don't water them. I don't know why they are drying. I am giving these plants all the love like you can give, but they are drying.
or maybe I'm giving these plants a lot of attention. Hi, that's why they are drying, but let's hope. I'm hoping that they are going to flourish, because I love houseplants. I love houseplants. But like, if you love something, that's when it's going to disappoint.
So yeah, so guys, I'm waiting for my friend so that we can go for lunch. It's dinner, it's late lunch, dinner maybe, and then I'm taking you along. My makeup, guys, is on fleek. This is Jonah K Cosmetics Passion. Yeah, and I use black opal foundation. Yeah, this wig is from Dupois, of course, very cheap. And then I'm going to show you my outfit of the day later on. And I did my nails. They are looking cute, but this one came out and hata sina hiyo nguvu ya kuirudisha, and itakaa hivyo. Or I may just apply gel, because these ones were acrylics. I was just trying to do acrylic for the first time as I learned. And what do you think, guys? Zimetokea lezea poa. So, and it's always very hard for me to do it on my left hand, ilitoka, but I'll not fix this one now. Yeah, so see you.
Oh no. Okay.
Happy Sunday, guys. So yesterday was such an amazing day, but I forgot to film everything. So guys, today is on a Sunday and I'm going to get my second dab. Yeah.
Thousand years later.
Time for lunch, and then it's so hot outside.
Thousand years later.
Number sweaters. How much? 4. Kwanza naangalia.